Detective Sarah Mitchell was known for her sharp mind and unyielding determination. She had solved some of the city's most puzzling cases, but today, she faced something unusual, a case without a crime. It started with an anonymous note left on her desk: "Find the key, and you'll unlock the truth." There was no name, no address, just those cryptic words. Intrigued, Sarah began her investigation. She retraced her steps from the past week, thinking about the people she had met and the places she had visited. One memory stood out: a visit to the old library downtown, where she had spent an afternoon researching for another case. She remembered a strange encounter with an elderly librarian, Mr. Grayson, who had seemed eager to talk but hesitated, as if holding back something important. She decided to pay him another visit. The library was quiet when she arrived. Mr. Grayson was at the front desk, his face lighting up with recognition when he saw her. "Detective Mitchell," he greeted her warmly. "What brings you back?" "I received a note," Sarah said, showing him the slip of paper. It mentioned a key. Mr. Grayson's eyes widened slightly, but he quickly composed himself. "Ah, the key. Yes, I think I know what this is about. Follow me." He led her to a secluded section of the library, where ancient books lined the dusty shelves. He reached up and pulled out a thick, leather-bound volume. It looked like any other old book, but when he opened it, a small metal key was tucked inside the hollowed-out pages. "This key," Mr. Grayson said softly, "belongs to a safe deposit box. The box was left here many years ago by a man who never returned to claim it. He was a friend of mine, a journalist investigating something dangerous. He feared for his life." Sarah took the key, a heavy sense of anticipation settling over her. "Do you know what's in the box?" Mr. Grayson shook his head. "Only that it's something important." He said it could change everything. With the key in hand, Sarah headed to the bank where the safe deposit box was stored. The box was old, dusty, and felt as though it hadn't been touched in years. She unlocked it and slowly lifted the lid. Inside was a single envelope, yellowed with age. She opened it carefully and found a stack of photographs and a handwritten letter. The photographs were of influential figures, politicians, business leaders, and law enforcement officers, engaged in secret meetings and illicit activities. The letter explained everything. It was a confession from a whistleblower who had uncovered a vast network of corruption that reached the highest levels of power. The journalist had planned to go public with the information but was silenced before he could. As Sarah absorbed the gravity of what she had found, she realized why the note had been left for her. The truth was now in her hands, and it was up to her to bring it to light, but she knew it wouldn't be easy. There were powerful people who would do anything to keep these secrets buried. The key had unlocked the truth, but now, Sarah had to decide, would she risk everything to expose it?
Now it's quiz time. What was the message on the anonymous note that Detective Sarah Mitchell received? A. The truth lies within the shadows. B. Find the key, and you'll unlock the truth. C. Follow the clues to solve the mystery. D. Trust no one. Answer: B. Find the key, and you'll unlock the truth. Where did Detective Sarah Mitchell go after receiving the mysterious note? A. To the police station. B. To the old bank. C. To the old library. D. To her office. Answer: C. To the old library. What did Mr. Grayson, the librarian, reveal to Sarah? A. That he was the one who left the note. B. That the key belonged to a hidden room in the library. C. That the key was linked to a safe deposit box left by a journalist. D. That the library was haunted. Answer: C. That the key was linked to a safe deposit box left by a journalist. What was found inside the safe deposit box? A. A large sum of money. B. A stack of photographs and a handwritten letter. C. A map leading to hidden treasure. D. An old book with more clues. Answer: B. A stack of photographs and a handwritten letter. What was the main theme of the letter found in the safe deposit box? A. A love confession. B. A detailed account of a vast network of corruption. C. instructions to find another key. D. A warning to stay away from the case. Answer. B. A detailed account of a vast network of corruption.
Now it's vocabulary time. Cryptic, meaning, mysterious or obscure in meaning, having a hidden or unclear message. Ornate, meaning, elaborately or highly decorated, often with intricate details. Imposing, meaning, grand and impressive in appearance, often in a way that feels intimidating. Secluded, meaning, hidden or isolated from view, quiet and private. Corruption, meaning, dishonest or unethical behavior by those in power, often involving bribery or other forms of misconduct.